Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to watch new South Park. So let's start. I told you we have to check how you can watch the South Park new series. There are different ways, depend on your country where you are from. So if you are from the United States, you can watch in HBO Max and in Comedy Central. So depend on the country that you are. But well, I recommend you to check first if your country has available HBO Max. Also, there is another one that is Comedy Central. Here you can watch, but this is only available in some countries. So also you have to check if in your country is available. If not is available, as I told you in the beginning of the video, you can get the VPN and you can connect in any country that you prefer. In my case, you can log in your account, and when you log in your account, then you can start using the VPN. It's very easy to do it, and it has many countries that you can connect in. So for example, you can go to the principal page here, and then you can go to the VPN or VPN, as you can see here. Now you can scroll down, you can manual setup, and you can select the country that you prefer. There are many countries, as you can see, so you can go to, for example, United States, and you can get off the configuration, and then you can connect to this VPN and start watching the videos and series. As I told you, I recommend you to check the link below for getting the discount and try to use NordVPN. It's an amazing VPN that you can enjoy it. And now if you get the link with the discount, you can start watching the Comedy Central, HBO, or depend on the content that you prefer to use, you can do it. So guys, well, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us thumbs up to this video.